next to me on the other side, I have a Falcon set to be master to control this device here, and to the input of that master I have the Raptor connected like we saw in the video part before. I will now go to direct fire on the Raptor, and I will turn the arm key of the Raptor, and we will see that this device here gets activated. I will deactivate it again by taking the power from the master's input, and we will see that this device here is switching to standby. And you see that there's communication on that LED if the state is changing. Now, let's power it up again. So I give power to the input of the master, and that device here is now active. But it says key block because I do not have that key turned yet. If I turn that key, it now tells me PD is armed. And we also see this here on that indicator. If I turn off the power on the input of our master, we will see that this output LED will follow, and we are back here to enable, because this is the state of that key. So it's disable, enable, and if we are not in standby but active, then this is PD armed, or the information that the key is blocking you at the moment. So now we can, if it's like that, we can operate this firing module. If I send fire commands, this is simply, you see here that it's blinking and here that it's blinking. This is the incoming command and this is the outgoing command, and I can just fire. If I go to check status, then if I find that if the module number requested is found, in this case it is, these LEDs go static pink. If they are not found, I'm now checking module number 01, which is not connected, then you see them blinking. If I now check 00 again, then you see that the LEDs go static.